hotel location.
Directions and landmark policy. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that help encourage to enjoy their stay.
Which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Room categories provide bedtime, dining facilities, and evenings, etc. Room category 3. Category 4. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Location of the hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy their surroundings. Four categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book the room, go to the link provided in the description. For more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box.
If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet again in a new video with a new topic. Be safe, be happy.